Tonight, we're going to let the quiet of the night guide you into a place of deep inner peace, where your body can restore its energy and your mind can settle into calm. You don't need to try to sleep or force your thoughts away. We'll simply let them soften, letting each breath and each sound carry you closer to stillness. This is your time, your safe space, and nothing from the day can reach you here. So find the position that feels best for you. Let your body sink into the surface beneath you, and take a slow, deep breath in and release it gently. Tonight, peace will find you, and rest will restore you. Now that you've found your place for the night, let everything else fade into the background. You've done enough, and now your only task is to rest. Feel the weight of your body being carried fully by the surface beneath you. Your head sinks into the pillow, your neck releasing any tightness it's been holding. Let your jaw loosen, your lips part slightly, your tongue resting naturally. The muscles around your eyes soften, the space between your eyebrows smooths, and your eyelids grow comfortably heavy. Your shoulders drop down and away from your ears, melting into the mattress as though they've been waiting for this moment to let go. That melting sensation flows slowly down your arms, past your elbows, into your forearms, and all the way into your hands. Your fingers rest loosely, no longer gripping or holding anything. Notice your breath, slow, steady, and easy. Each inhale draws in calm, and each exhale releases something you no longer need. Your chest rises and falls in a gentle rhythm, your stomach softens, and your hips sink more deeply into the bed. Your legs feel heavy, your knees relaxed, your calves at ease, your feet completely still. Even your toes have let go. The air around you is calm, perfectly balanced, and the quiet is wrapping itself around you like a warm, invisible blanket. The sounds in the background begin to merge with your breath, creating a steady rhythm that invites your body to rest more deeply. You are safe here, supported here, and exactly where you need to be. As you rest here, notice how your breath has already begun to find its own slower, calmer rhythm. The music or soft sounds in the background are weaving themselves into this rhythm, creating a gentle flow that carries you deeper into stillness. If a thought drifts into your mind, you don't need to resist it or follow it. Just see it as a feather floating on a breeze, slowly moving farther away until it disappears. Bring your attention back to the way your body feels, fully supported, from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. Your face is smooth, your jaw soft, your eyelids resting with ease. Your neck is loose, your shoulders are heavy in the most comforting way. Your arms lie naturally by your sides, your hands warm and open. Your back sinks deeper into the surface beneath you, each vertebra settling with a quiet sigh of relief. Your hips are steady, your thighs loose, your knees free from tension. Your calves are soft, your feet resting naturally. Even your toes feel relaxed, as though they are sighing with relief. The quiet around you has a weight to it, not heavy, but steady and reassuring, like it is holding you in place. The spaces between the sounds are just as soothing as the sounds themselves, giving your mind and body little pockets of silence to sink into. You are hovering now at the threshold between waking and sleeping, where the world feels softer and time feels slower. All that's left is to let go completely and allow yourself to be carried into the deeper parts of your rest. Now that your body is completely at ease and your breath has settled into a slow and steady rhythm, you are ready to drift deeper. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a quiet lake under the soft glow of moonlight. The water is so still, that it perfectly reflects the night sky above, a mirror of stars and gentle silver light. The air is cool and fresh, carrying with it the scent of pine and earth, grounding you with every inhale. You take a slow step forward, feeling the soft earth under your feet, each step easing away more of the weight you've been carrying. Around you, tall trees stand like silent guardians, their branches swaying gently in the breeze, whispering a language only the night understands. The sound blends seamlessly with the soft music that surrounds you, creating a harmony that settles deep within your chest. You walk along the shoreline, the rhythm of your steps syncing perfectly with the rhythm of your breath. Ahead, you see a small wooden pier stretching out into the water. You walk toward it, feeling the boards under your feet warm and solid. At the end of the pier, you stop and look out across the lake, the moonlight painting a shimmering path across the surface just for you. You breathe in deeply, letting the stillness fill you, and breathe out slowly, letting it carry away the last of your restlessness. You are not rushing anywhere. You are simply here, in this safe and quiet space, already beginning to cross into the deep waters of sleep. You step onto the pier and walk slowly to its very end, where the world feels both wide and intimate at the same time. The water stretches endlessly in front of you, a sheet of silver and shadow, perfectly still, except for the faintest ripples that catch the moonlight. You sit down, letting your legs dangle over the edge, and feel the boards beneath you firm and grounding. The air here is cooler, yet comforting, wrapping around you like a gentle shawl. You close your eyes for a moment, listening. There's the soft hush of the water touching the pier, the distant call of a night bird, and beneath it all, the steady hum of the night itself, a soundless presence that cradles you. You take a slow breath in, feeling it fill every corner of your body, and then let it out in a long, unhurried sigh. With that exhale, it's as if your shoulders drop further, your chest opens wider, and your entire body sinks a little deeper into this moment. You lie back on the pier now, looking up at the sky. The stars above seem brighter than before, their light soft and ancient, like they've been watching over you for a very long time. You feel a quiet connection to them, as if they are keeping you company while you drift. Your breath becomes even slower, the spaces between inhales and exhales stretching just enough to feel infinite. Thoughts no longer form. They dissolve before they can even take shape. You are floating now, not on the water, but in the vast stillness of the night. The edges of your awareness soften until there is no boundary between you and the world around you. Dreams begin to arrive quietly, slipping in like a gentle tide, and you let them carry you further, deeper, until you are completely immersed in the peaceful, endless depth of sleep. Now that you are resting in the deepest layer of sleep, your body begins its quiet and powerful work of healing. Every slow breath you take draws fresh oxygen into your lungs, sending it through your blood to nourish every cell. Your heart beats in a steady, unhurried rhythm, carrying this life-giving energy to every muscle, every organ, every hidden corner of you. Imagine now a warm golden light beginning to glow in the center of your chest. It is steady, soft, and comforting, radiating in all directions. With each inhale, this light grows brighter, and with each exhale, it spreads further through your body. It moves into your shoulders, melting away any stiffness they've been holding. It travels down your arms into your hands, loosening every joint, relaxing every muscle until your fingers are soft and open. The light flows upward into your neck and head, smoothing away the last traces of tension, quieting even the smallest ripples of thought. It moves through your back, releasing the muscles that have supported you all day, and into your stomach, calming and balancing it. From there, it flows into your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your feet, until your entire body is bathed in this gentle glow. This light is more than warmth. It is your own healing energy, awakened and moving freely. As it spreads, it repairs what has been worn, restores what has been tired, and brings harmony to every part of you. At the same time, your mind is sorting through the day, keeping what matters and letting go of what no longer serves you. You are safe here. You are whole here. And you are exactly where you are meant to be, resting in the peace that allows true restoration. As the golden light continues to flow within you, it moves in harmony with your breath, expanding as you inhale and settling deeper as you exhale. It travels with gentle patience, reaching the smallest spaces in your body, places that rarely receive attention, yet hold on to quiet traces of tension. It lingers in your shoulders, dissolving the invisible burdens you've carried without even noticing. It glides along your spine, releasing the stiffness that has been stored in the muscles supporting you all day. It rests in your stomach, easing any tightness and bringing a steady sense of calm. It moves down through your hips and into your legs, filling them with a heaviness that is not fatigue, but the comfort of complete surrender. While your body is restored, your mind is gently unwinding. Thoughts that once felt tangled are loosening and drifting apart, no longer able to hold you in their grip. Memories that may have stirred unease are softening at the edges until they become harmless, fading into the background of your rest. The quiet around you is alive in its own way, a steady presence holding you with care. Here, time doesn't press forward, and nothing pulls you back. The golden light within you is a reminder that this healing force has always been a part of you, quietly waiting for the moments when you allow yourself to slow down enough to feel it. Tonight, you've given it space to move fully, to repair, to restore, and to leave you lighter in body, clearer in mind, and calmer in spirit. It will keep working in the background as you sleep, so that when morning comes, you will wake renewed, steady, and at peace. You are here now, fully wrapped in the stillness of the night, your body warm and heavy, your mind soft and open. The golden light within you continues its gentle work, but you no longer need to notice it. It will keep flowing as you drift further. The music has softened into the background, blending seamlessly with the quiet, becoming part of the space around you. Your breath is smooth and steady, each inhale pulling you deeper into calm, each exhale releasing anything that no longer belongs. The day is far behind you, unable to touch you here. Every muscle has let go, every thought has quieted, and your heart beats in harmony with the peace surrounding you. Dreams are close now, waiting just beyond the edge of awareness, ready to carry you through the night with ease. You don't need to follow them or control them, just allow them to arrive naturally. Let yourself sink completely, knowing you are safe, cared for, and held until the morning light returns. Sleep is not something you are waiting for. It is already here, keeping you in its gentle embrace. If tonight's journey has brought you peace and helped you drift into the deep, healing rest your body and mind have been needing, I'd be honored to welcome you back here whenever you wish. Let this be your quiet place, the space where you can return night after night, to let go of the day and restore your energy. If you'd like more nights like this, you can subscribe to this channel so we can continue traveling together toward calm and deep rest. And if you know someone who might be lying awake, wishing for the same comfort you feel now, share this with them so they too can find peace. For now, there's nothing more to do. Just let the night hold you, let your dreams keep you, and remember you are safe, cared for, and never alone on this path to rest. Sleep well, my friend.